hello, bonjour, 안녕, ¿cómo está? All right. How are you, everybody? I hope that you are fine today. I hope that you're having a good day. If it's already the evening time, I hope you had a great day at home, of course. You can do many things at home if you will try to be a little more creative, right? Well, today, what we're going to do is. I don't have the drum roll, but that doesn't sound like a drum roll. It sounds like the Voltage 5 um song. What am I saying? Voltage 5 intro song. Anyway, um what are we going to do today? Oh, yeah. Today we are going to have the orders of determiner. So many times in the previous episodes, we have talked about um, how can um, another determiner exist in a noun phrase. We often say that there can only be one determiner, one main determiner in a noun phrase. However, if there will be another determiner in that same noun phrase, what are we going to do? Okay, so this is what we are going to address today. By the way, this is the last episode of this series. Insert yay sound from the children. There you go. Okay, so determiners. Okay, the order of determiners. Again, okay, I think you are sick and tired of seeing this, but we have to say it again and again for you to learn, okay, for you to understand better. Okay, they come at the beginning of a noun phrase, determiners, limit or determine noun phrases. We cannot have one or more than one noun phrase, but if we will have more than one, then they will follow a very specific order. We will focus on this last bullet right here for today's episode. Okay, let's break down the rules. Rule number 1. It is possible to have no determiner, right? That's why we have the zero determiner, which we already talked about. Okay. Rule number 2. All determiners come at the beginning before any adjectives, such as these examples right here. Big black dog. The big black dog. Determiner the. My favorite card. Determiner my. Article. Right? Do you remember? The is an article. Yes? Okay, good. Rule number 3. If you have a main determiner, you can have only one. Okay? So what are those main determiners? Our main determiners are articles, demonstratives, and possessive. Possessives. What does that mean? It means if you have an article in your noun phrase, you cannot have a demonstrative or possessive. If you have a demonstrative, there should not be articles or possessives. If you have possessives, then no article, no demonstrative. Only one main determiner. Okay, I hope that's clear. So let's take note, okay, that noun phrases can only have one determiners. Okay, let's just take note of that. Just try to remember one main determiner per noun phrase, such as this. Okay, what are the articles? Here are the articles. What are the demonstratives? Possessives. Okay. See, we don't include them or we don't put them together. We just say a dog. We just say the soup, right? We just say this flower. We don't say, this flower. Okay. Or this my flower. We say my sister. We don't say, my sister. Yes. Their car. Is that clear? Okay. Good. Rule number 4. Some determiners function as predeterminers. Pre meaning before. Before. Okay? Before a main determiner. So we can have more than one determiner, but, okay, they should be different determiners. They should be maybe a predeterminer and then a main determiner, not two main determiners or two predeterminers. Okay. Okay, one predeterminer. Okay, for example here, all the right people. All is our predeterminer. The is our main determiner. Rule number 5. Okay. There are also determiners which has the function of being post, meaning after. Post determiners. They are called post determiners. Okay. You can have one or more post determiners. Surprise! Yes, you can. Okay, let's take a look at this example. The next time my first 2 jobs. Can you see a difference? So here we have my is our main determiner. First is our post determiner. Also 2 is our post determiner. These are both number determiners. However, what is this? We learned this from our previous episode. First is an ordinal number, while 2 is a cardinal number. Do you remember? Yeah. So it's possible to have one or more post determiner. Post means after the main determiner. Pre means before our main determiner. And rule number 6. Okay, if you have more than one determiner, okay, just remember this guide right here. Let's take a look. Okay, we have our predeterminers. What are they? We have the quantifiers. We have the main determiners. What are they? We said a while ago they are, or we mentioned a while ago, they are articles, demonstratives, and possessives. What are our post determiners? They are the ordinals, cardinals, and other quantifiers, meaning the numbers, number determiners, right? So this will be the pattern. Okay, pause the video, take a look at this pattern and just try to analyze. Okay? All right, you have this guide here. Okay, one of these, one or more, right? So we can have one of predeterminers plus the main determiner, one of these main determiners and nothing else. All right, maybe a post determiner, maybe one determiner and then one main determiner plus post determiner. Okay, if we have post determiner, we can have one or more. Okay, just pause this video to take a look at everything. And that is it. Let us insert another yay! Okay. We are done with our determiner series. Thank you. It's been great. You've been all great. Thank you so much. Um, and I will see you again in the next series. I'll think about it. I will think about it over the weekend. Okay, I'll think about it, then I'll let you know. But one thing is for sure, you will continue to see more new videos coming up in the next following days. Thank you and have a great day. Have a great evening. Have a great afternoon to y'all. Take care. Stay indoors. Be healthy. Stay healthy. Goodbye, everybody.